Jealousy is one of the most common human emotions to experience. Whether people want to feel it or not, oftentimes it will still be felt. It doesn't matter what it is, and it doesn't matter if people want to be happy for the person they're feeling jealous of. Jealousy itself is an emotion that is normal to experience for everyone. However, while jealousy is easy to feel, it's hard to detect in others when they themselves are jealous of you. That's why today we're focusing on the top 11 signs that someone is secretly jealous of you. Make sure to stick around until the end to see the best sign. Number 11. They compliment you with an insult. Backhanded compliments are one of the best detectors of someone being secretly jealous of someone. This means that for one, they don't really believe in any compliments that they can give you. This could stem from a place of anger, which could also mean that they are jealous of your happiness. If anyone says something that can be taken in another way that isn't very kind, but seems kind to most onlookers, they're trying to aggravate whoever they're jealous of. They're trying to gaslight them and make them feel insecure in their own abilities. If someone constantly compliments another with a backhanded insult, then it's probably best that for one, they need to get away from them, and two, they're most likely jealous and trying to hide it. Number 10. They gloat at your mistakes. There are times when friends have the right to make fun of silly mistakes their friends make, and there are times when mistakes aren't supposed to be made fun of. These are often the more serious mistakes, or even life consequences such as getting fired or breaking up with a significant other. These aren't things to make fun of, and it's not supposed to be something that turns into a bragging right for another person. So, if something happens to someone that isn't very joyful or worth celebrating, then someone shouldn't be using it as something to brag about. If someone is using someone else's misery as a bragging point, then they aren't great people for one. Second, they're probably trying to focus on the downfalls of the person they're jealous of to make themselves feel better. If you focus on the downfalls and unlucky moments of the people you envy, then it can give a small confidence boost to those who are jealous. In their heads, it's like, if they can mess up, then maybe they aren't as good as I thought. So basically, if someone continues to remind a person of their misdeeds in any event, there's a good chance that they're jealous of the person they're talking to. Number 9. They make excuses not to hang out with you. People who are secretly jealous of the person they're jealous of will do anything they can to not hang out with that person. After all, who would want to hang out with the person they're obviously trying to avoid? Who would want to spend time with someone who makes them feel bad about themselves unintentionally? So, of course, they will find a way to make an excuse not to hang out with who they're jealous of. If someone keeps making constant excuses not to see someone, it could definitely be a number of things. It could be that they don't like the person, or they could just have an issue with something else. However, it could be totally possible that they are extremely jealous of the person they're trying to avoid. Number 8. They gossip about you. People who are jealous of others often use gossip about the person they're jealous of to make themselves feel better. They will generate drama for the person they're jealous of just to bring them down. They also do it to make themselves feel better. They will make a point to gossip about people they're jealous of to others, to try see if other people dislike them as well. They will spread the gossip as fast as they can in order to try to sow the seeds of drama and doubt. If someone is constantly gossiping about someone else, they might be jealous of them. After all, they obviously live in their own head rent-free if they're constantly talking about them. Number 7. They tell you that you're just lucky. People who are jealous of someone will 100% play down any kind of accomplishments that the people they're jealous of do. They will find a way to make the accomplishments all about them or to make them feel better about themselves. They will often say things like, "Oh, you just got that promotion because you're lucky. You just got a boyfriend because you're lucky. Your girlfriend only proposed because you're lucky." It's never because they're smart or great or hard workers. People who are jealous will never admit that whoever they're jealous of actually has merit or skill of any kind. They can't imagine that they have any kind of actual potential to gain a life partner or a skill or a promotion of any kind. Jealous people will actually make any excuse that they can to pretend that whoever they're jealous of doesn't have any skills or reason to be happy or advance in life. By the way, if you're finding this video valuable so far, then make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And why not subscribe so you can keep learning more? It's free. Number 6. They diminish your achievements. People who are secretly jealous of people will say they're just lucky in the same way that they will diminish the achievements of whomever they're actually jealous of. They'll play off any accomplishments as something that isn't as big as they think by gaslighting them. For instance, if the person they're jealous of got a promotion, they could say, "Well, I just redecorated my room. Isn't that so much cooler?" They will use whatever minuscule thing they did to trump an amazing achievement of someone else that they're jealous of. That way, the person they're jealous of feels bad about themselves, and the jealous person will feel better about themselves. If someone is always doing this to another person, they're obviously jealous. That, or they have no social skills. Number 5, they always want to be around you. On the flip side of the tip, they never want to spend time with the person they're jealous of. Sometimes jealous people always want to spend time with the person they're jealous of. After all, if they're around them all the time, they can bring that person down with their negativity or their constant put-downs of that person's accomplishments. They will spend all that time with that person trying to tear down their self-confidence and their goals on purpose. They will also be central to all of their accomplishments, so there's even a chance that they can try to take credit for them as well. If someone is constantly hanging around with another person and they're always negative about it, then they're probably jealous. Number 4, they're excellent copycats. Copying is one of the best forms of flattery. That's because whoever is copying whoever is obviously admiring something about the person they're jealous of. They'll probably start to pick up little habits here and there of the person they're jealous of in an attempt to become the person they're jealous of. Obviously, this won't work, but that won't matter to them. If someone is constantly copying whatever someone does, there's a chance that they'll be jealous of them. They'll do whatever they find interesting that the jealous person does, and they won't stop until someone calls them out, and maybe not even then. Number 3, they deliberately give bad advice. People who are jealous will oftentimes give bad advice on purpose to ensure that whoever they're jealous of has a miserable life. They'll give bad advice to lead them to make bad decisions so that they won't be successful like the jealous person wants. They will lead them away from the right thing so they will feel better about their own mistakes. They'll also feel responsible for the mistakes that the person they're jealous of made, so they'll feel better about themselves. They will be proud that they led the person they are jealous of away from their goals. If someone has been giving bad advice on the regular to someone else, then they're probably jealous and wanting to sabotage them. Number 2, they're very competitive. Jealous people are often very competitive as well. They will make a point to make everything a competition. They will make sure that they're winning the competition as well, no matter what it is. If the person they're jealous of gets a promotion, they'll have to get one too. If the person they're jealous of gets in a relationship, then they'll need to get engaged as soon as possible to trump them. They always have to one-up anyone and everything that they want to do. They're extremely competitive and must win at everything. They have to beat the person they're jealous of the most, however. They have to make sure that they win all the time. So, if someone is constantly trying to one-up someone and win against them, they're probably jealous. Number 1, they humiliate you in front of other people. The main thing that jealous people do is purposely humiliate the people they're jealous of in front of other people. They will wait until lots of people are around before they make a point to embarrass whomever they're jealous of. They will bring up some kind of bad memory, mistakes made, or anything else. This is the biggest thing they will do on purpose to ensure that they look better than you in front of the crowd that they're trying to impress. This will be the way they make themselves feel better, by putting others down. And if you like this video, then check out these related videos to see more. And make sure to subscribe and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and we will personally reply to your comment.